Hey guys, welcome back to Closet Raid. Welcome to the start of something new. Most of you guys already know that I'm an LA-based celebrity wardrobe stylist.
Working with Jazmin is awesome.
Hey, it's Melise Zhao, and today Jazmin is styling me for the VMAs.
Hi guys, this is Lilomar. I'm so excited because we're getting ready for the Nickelodeon Kids' Choice Sports.
My name is Ashley Nicole and I'm getting styled by Jazmin.
I'm most passionate about making my clients feel and look amazing, feel confident, just creating the most amazing major fashion moments. And you guys are about to find out exactly what that entails. On this new series, Styled by Jazmin Whitley, you guys are gonna be able to keep up with my crazy journey because I decided I wanna share everything with you guys. I'll be posting a new Styled by Jazmin Whitley episode every single Monday here on Closet Raid. A typical day in my life includes pulling tons of samples from showrooms for different projects and different clients that I have. Hi, it's Jazmin Whitley. Throughout the week, I go to all the different showrooms to return samples I already used and pull new samples for my clients who are attending events and need new pieces to wear.
Both of these bags are you returning
Yeah,
to?
these 2 bags and these shoes.
And the shoes here?
You sent me back with 5 projects. Are you
Yes,
pulling
I'm pulling
all?
for 3
Okay. Do you want everything on the same pool or do you want separate?
all together because it's
Okay.
the same day. That'll
Okay.
help me. It's my job to select the outfits celebrities wear on the red carpet, in magazines, in music videos, and even sometimes on Instagram. So it's basically like I'm curating your guys' closet without you even knowing. Every time I style someone and I see them feeling super confident and I just see my vision coming to life, I feel accomplished. It sounds so cheesy. I feel like I'm just living my dream. But making all these fashion moments happen and everything come to life takes long days, like really, really long work days, and sometimes really late nights. Even when I'm just hanging out with friends or have a day off, fashion just seems like it's always the topic of discussion. Like, we can never catch up because it's been like consistent, steady work, which is like something I'm so thankful for because you know me, like from the day we first met, like literally it's been like work.
Well,
but
the first time I saw you this year, I ran into you at my job because you were working,
I know.
dropping stuff off.
Yeah.
So it's like
that was
I would
literally-
run into you while you're on the clock.
I popped into the Real and I was like, I wonder what Christian's gonna think because like I don't know, is the Real and Rebag like competition?
I mean, they say that we're competitors,
Yeah.
but I wouldn't say so just because we only focus on bags and we're not consignment. Their store's gorgeous.
Yeah, it's
It's
beautiful.
beautiful.
They say the one in New York is like fabulous. Like it's very like, I don't know, she was just describing it to me and it sounded so cute. So.
I'm only seeing it in photos and it looks amazing.
Yeah. So today I'm bringing you guys with me for, I guess, a typical work day. I'm styling Natasha in Beverly Hills, and then I have the Merrill Twins music video that I'm also styling as well. I just want it to look like beautiful and like high fashion, but not like creepy. Yeah. Like even here on this couch with lounging, I wouldn't mind it, and I wouldn't mind this. What were you thinking for makeup?
I thought what would best suit her would be like a low, sleek, chic bun. And for the makeup, I wanted to do something not too crazy, so we decided to go with like a soft, smoky eye.
Do they work? This look is so good. Natasha, you look freaking gorgeous.
Don't talk to me. You get me out of this.
Your eyes are literally sparkling. quiet. Jeez.
Okay, hold on, let me collect myself.
Her profile is ridiculous.
Yeah.
Jazmin,
I swear on my life.
I'll stop. Shh.
I was gonna say, is that supposed to be there?
Sorry. Okay.
Start all over.
Take it from the top. Whatever. You can Photoshop it out. You can Photoshop it. That's nothing. That's literally nothing.
we can Photoshop
It's literally nothing. It's like halfway on your thigh. I'm like, we'll Photoshop it. A question.
Not even worried, not even worried.
Yeah, no.
That was like such
Not
an
at
editorial.
Feels bad. It looks so good. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. And I don't know if you want to look at this angle because I was just taking pictures. In the middle of my photo shoot with Natasha, I realized that Veronica and Vanessa had asked me to bring a men's jacket to their music video shoot. Thankfully, I have really great relationships with designers and brands, and they can allow me to access pieces very last minute. I need a men's jacket that's kind of like over the top and like kind of flashy.
Okay.
There's no specific color scheme or anything. It could be like a leather jacket or a printed jacket, but just like a big like men's jacket.
Yeah, just send me whenever you're ready, and if I order an Uber, it will arrive in like 5 minutes anyway.
Thank you so much. You're a
You're
lifesaver.
welcome. My pleasure, Jazmin.
Thank you, Alex. Bye.
Do we like that?
Oh,
Let me see.
Look how cool that is.
Oh my gosh. Get a couple more.
Yeah,
I'll be
we'll
right
do
back.
A couple more.
Thank you so much. Have a great day.
Yeah, the color palette looks amazing. And also, what do you think about even this
I
right
like
here?
this
Yeah, I think that
We
would
could do
look,
like both spots.
like I think this could look so fun. You can do
Yeah.
the mirror, she could lean in. And I could do like a lot of jewelry.
Is this going for your YouTube channel?
Yeah,
That's so sick.
I'm so excited for it. You're gonna die. You guys, this is Natasha. I'm obsessed with her. We're having a shoot today in Beverly Hills at this insane location.
It's crazy. It's gorgeous here.
What was your favorite thing you wore?
Oh my gosh, I don't even know. The cool thing about where we're shooting is that like every wall literally has a different theme, I feel like. So
Yeah.
we were able to play with so many different outfits and visions of what we want. So I don't even know. What was your favorite?
I think my favorite, I know it's so hard to pick because they were all so different, but like the gold gown.
Yeah, the
like,
gold gown was gorgeous.
Insane.
Honestly, the
Insane.
guest jacket was pretty epic too. I mean, I know that was like only a few shots we took, but that was really cool.
Like
too.
against
Just,
like
yeah,
the blue and
wall.
red.
Yeah.
I'm so excited.
I don't know all of it. It's so cool. I'm so excited.
I love you.
Yay!
Everybody's sense of style is something that's so personal to them. So styling is a very personal job, and I feel like I have to connect with my clients really well in order to work together. And I'm so thankful because a lot of the people that I style, I have a really great connection with, and I'm able to call them my really good friends.
I'm so excited. I ordered a cake to surprise Veronica and Vanessa to celebrate their 4 million subscribers on YouTube. So I'm gonna go pick up the cake right now. They're gonna be so excited. Look at how beautiful it is. It turned out perfect.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. Bye.
Bye. It kind of has something to do with the video.
Really?
Kind of. Go.
What?
So that's like the widest will be.
Okay.
You know.
Yeah,
for
like
this
full
one,
outfit.
You
Yeah,
can even
full
do it
outfit.
on the stairs if you frame it right. And then we're doing one in the kitchen. You know how she sits on the counter?
Yeah. Oh my gosh.
So we'll sit on the counter.
Set up in there.
okay.
Very everything's gonna look very similar. Maybe some blue in the
So-
kitchen.
Got
We're
it.
like 9,000 away from.
I know. I checked today when I was getting the cake. I was like, how far away is this?
You have so many clothes. So much.
Well, because
Story
you guys
of your
have
life.
so many events.
Yeah.
You have so much travel.
do.
So cute. Elliot is like one of the funnest designers. Like, look at this.
Ooh. That's so cute.
These
Those
are
are cute.
so
Packets.
I love this. Look at these pants.
These pants are so
Oh my
cute.
gosh. But
These
that
are
goes
cute.
with that.
I like that.
It's so fun. The set.
That is really fun.
This reminded me of Vanessa with like thigh-high boots.
Yes, that's me. Just a giant sweater.
Okay, do you remember Bougie Week?
Yes.
I got it in pink! Isn't this amazing? You can wear this like on the couch and like play with like the feathers.
Oh.
I'm in
Wait,
love
that's
with that.
so funny.
This dress is
Oh,
so cute.
That's so cute. Oh wait, maybe I should put over here.
This I love. This is just fun.
Oh, that is fun.
Oh,
is that it?
yes. This is the jacket. Isn't it amazing?
Yeah.
I hope it fits him.
What size is it?
I told her a large.
Oh yeah.
It'll be fine. I didn't even check what size it was when she sent
That is
it.
so funny. Oh my gosh. Because in the song we say that our cat, our dog, we all wear designer, even our dad.
I literally was stressed out. I'm like, get me the leather jacket like on the phone, and she was like, okay, I'm gonna send it in an Uber, like it'll be out front.
Oh my
I
gosh.
was
Thank
like,
you.
you're welcome.
Thank you for going through all the trouble for that.
My
Oh
life
goodness.
is just an adventure. This set, I was so excited when I saw because they had it in a small, like,
No way.
it's like literally like such a, you could do a fun like high pony. Look at the buttons.
That's really cute.
It's so cute. Okay. Because New York, like, you always want to look more like sleek. Like, I love like a good suit
Right.
and like a good like
Pants,
crop
yeah.
top with like a little tailored pant. This we have to use for the video.
Yeah. Yes.
What about like these two? Or like, wait, where's the other fur coat?
Right
There
here.
it is. Like those two coats?
Yes. This will be really cute.
That is really cute. Yeah. That looks so cute.
This is adorable.
These are the first looks that we're starting in.
Okay.
And they're just like a pastel color palette, a light blue, and this one is like a gradient purple with pink, and just like fun over the top accessories. And I'm just excited
Yeah.
for this.
I'm excited too. These
Me
are really
too.
heavy. These earrings are too. But they're really cool. Yeah.
Look one. Do you guys feel very transformed?
Yes. I feel very like chic.
Yeah.
And like cool.
Glamorous.
Glamorous. Okay, yeah. Here's our final look.
Okay, so then let's go get this done and then change
Okay.
into the next look.
Okay, let's go.
Do stuff tighter. So we're gonna shoot this like crazy, guys. So get ready for
So
a lot. A lot. Hey, why don't you get your phone?
This is so cool. I'm so excited. I want to hear the song. Did you see your
Have
designer
you not heard
jacket?
it? I'm even styled by you. I'm totally tagging you in my Insta.
Hashtag styled by Jazmin.
Oh god. gosh. It's a red leather jacket.
Nice.
It's nice.
Do you want to come with that?
Of course.
You're like, of course.
Okay,
Thank you. Okay. I hid my phone under here.
Channel like your inner diva.
Okay, so here's what it looks like. I can't show you all because I need to see it. All right.
We got the haters, wish we both would quit for a million subscribers. We clicked it, we got it.
There's not gonna be feet.
I don't think you're going to see her.
No feet.
How cute.
This will be a little wider than this, but not. It'll be like this. That's the widest I'll get. And then just a wide shot of me sitting here. So we'll do it twice.
Okay.
Okay, so why don't you go get the quirks? How about that? So just make sure Tiger's sitting in the same spot. I actually feel pretty cool. I'm just not gonna lie. Ready and play it.
Ask for yeah. Thanks for liking the view. Every Tuesday there's a new video for you. Wouldn't be here without you. We stay together like glue. Look at my dog, look at my cat. We're wearing designer, even our dad. And I could go home, but now we are really kinda not really.
Don't try this at home. This is hair and body glitter. It's not supposed to go on your lips.
No,
I'm styling Jazmin now. I've given her this couture Merrill
Hoodie.
Twins merch hoodie. Wait, do you want
Exclusive.
one?
I don't have one.
Oh, we have one over there.
I feel special. Usually I'm the one bringing the clothes, but I'm being
What size do you
styled.
want? Medium?
I like an oversized, medium, large. I like a comfy, cozy. Also, whatever you have available.
So I'm styling Jazmin in these maroon sweats.
Yes.
They're very comfy, very soft. I think they're from the boys section.
Straight off the runway.
Straight off the runway. And then this is your new hoodie.
Oh my gosh.
It's very special and couture and
One of a kind.
one of a kind.
But you can also get yours on MerrillTwins.com.
And you can get beanies.
That is so cute with that. Like the white with your outfit.
Oh yeah,
Very
it's part of our
cute.
song. Go buy our beanies. So we could sit on the steps.
It looks kind of better with you sitting on the steps anyway.
Oh,
Maybe.
stand too. How about we stand and sit on the step?
Here we go. Stand by. And you looking at camera, Nessa. And action.
Was cheesy. Go buy our beanies. You want to hang out? Sorry, I'm busy. The haters.
Do I need to fix my hair?
Oh yeah, let me fix it.
Oh, my knees are hurting for some reason. Thank you for getting this, Jazmin.
Yeah.
Success from just being ourselves. Grinding and working, we are always filming videos.
Great. Style by Jazmin. please like go like da 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 da.
So I finished styling the music video a little bit after midnight. It was super late. I couldn't have been happier with the way everything turned out. All the looks were perfect. They felt amazing and looked even better. It was just incredible and I had so much fun. Next week on Styled by Jazmin Whitley. Hey guys, welcome back to Closet Raid. I'm so excited to have Heather this week. I'm at Andrea's house today styling her for a really fun photo shoot she has tomorrow. We're gonna pick out some sick looks. We're gonna do this. Yeah.